Gluten-free orange cranberry shortbread cookies are perfect for holiday cookie exchanges, after-school snacks, and they even make a festive hostess gift. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and I don't know about you, but just the thought of oranges and cranberries together takes me back to Christmases when I was a kid. And the wonderful thing about these shortbread cookies is that they are gluten-free, so I can enjoy them with my whole family, and so can you. So go ahead and get your mise en place together. One of the things I think you'll really love about this recipe is that there's only 7 ingredients. The best part about these cookies is that no one will ever know they are gluten-free. They're that good. Zest 2 or 3 oranges until you get 2 tablespoons of orange zest. Add this to a ½ cup of sugar and pulse in a food processor 10 times. Then cream 13 tablespoons of softened butter until smooth with an electric hand mixer or a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. Add the orange sugar and a ½ teaspoon of salt to the butter and mix on medium for 1 minute. Scrape the sides down and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat again on low for 1 minute. Then stir in 3/4 cups dried cranberries. Add 2 cups of cup-for-cup gluten-free flour in 2 batches, mixing for 30 seconds and scraping the sides down each time. Turn the dough out onto a long piece of plastic wrap. Use your hands and the plastic wrap to shape the dough into a log about 2 inches in diameter and wrap it tightly in the plastic. Refrigerate the dough for at least 1 hour. Once your dough is nicely chilled, unwrap it and slice it into rounds between 1/4 and 1/2 inch thick. Place the shortbread cookies on a parchment or silicone-lined baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 325 for 10 to 15 minutes. When the edges turn a light golden brown, take them out and let them rest on a baking sheet for 5 to 10 minutes to firm up. Then you can transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. This is totally my favorite part. So good. It really tastes the orange, and that cranberry has a great little pop. And the reason why we blitz the orange peel or the orange zest with the sugar is because it really takes the oil out of the zest and infuses it all throughout the sugar, so you don't need any orange extract or any other flavorings. This is the bomb. So thank you so much for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Please stick around, subscribe, hang out for some more videos, and I will see you soon. And maybe pair your shortbread with a little cranberry spritz. Why not? It's the holidays, right? Bye guys.